Alright, I'm back at Harbor Freight, and in this video, I'm going to show you some new items that just hit the store. So I'm going to share some of the new items that they just came out with, and I'm going to start off with some Braun lights, actually. So no surprise there on some new lights they came out with. And the first one is going to be on the Braun 2200 lumen waterproof spotlight. This one's going to be smaller than the other one that they have. That's a 6000 lumen. This offers a runtime up to 23 hours and a range up to 1300 feet. And it's rechargeable by USB-C port. It has variable light modes of high, medium, low, and strobe. It's also impact resistant lens. This does look like a nice light. Nice and bright. It has a pretty good spot to it. So it definitely casts a pretty nice beam there, 2200 lumens. This also has a kickstand there on the top, so you could prop it up at an angle. It also doubles as a battery bank, so you could charge up phone devices or other devices through the USB-C. It comes with a USB-C cord to charge it, has a lock button, as well as a pocket clip. The medium, so the high lumens is 2200, the medium is 1000, and on low it's 600. So on the high it's rated at 3 hours of runtime, the medium is 11 hours, and then low is 23 hours. And this new Braun light retails at 30 bucks. And the next Braun light they came out with is a Braun 4200 lumen clamp light. It is rechargeable by USB-C, provides a runtime of up to 19 hours. It also has impact resistant housing, and it's water and dust resistant at IP54 rated. This one also doubles as a battery bank, so you could charge other devices with it, and has variable light modes of the high, medium, and low. And it has a battery indicator. So you can do different configurations with this light by changing up the angles of it. So this will not have like a magnetic base like other lights do. So this is the solution to if you don't have a magnetic surfaces to be able to attach other lights to. So you can clamp this to like 2x4s or workbenches or even a hood you can clamp it to. So it looks like a pretty decent light there. And this one retails at 55 bucks. The next category of items that Harbor Freight just came out with is on some new Doyle multimeters, as well as clamp meters. So they in fact came out with 3 new clamp meters, and they just did this reset in this store. So they might be a little early to the game compared to other stores out there. And I'll show you the different ones they have in stock already. So they have a nice display here on the bottom of them that shows the different meters and the features of each one that they offer. So these are the 3 different clamp meters they offer, from the DC 300, DC 500, and DC 700. You can certainly pause the video and take a look at the features they have laid out for each of the clamp meters. DC 300 retails at 45 bucks. And the thing that's nice about these is that these all have a 3-year guarantee on them. And then the DC 500 retails at 65 bucks. And then the DC 700 retails at 85. And then they have 2 different multimeters that are new to the market. So they have the DM 500 one and the DM 900, which currently they don't have in stock. The DM 500, which that one's going to retail at 35 bucks. And then the DM 900 retails at 60 bucks. You can take a look at all the different settings it has. They say it is good for professional technicians and electricians. It does include a soft case to it that's zippered. And here's the back of the package of the DM900. So many different tests you could do with this one. Looks pretty nice. And again, that one retails at 60 bucks. And then the next category of items that came out with is voltage testers. So they have a basic voltage tester, which they don't currently have in stock yet. It's rated from 12 volt to 1000 volt. So this would be like similar to like the Milwaukee one, like I have, or it's the non-contact voltage testers. That was going to retail at 13 bucks. And this next one is actually pretty interesting. It's an infrared thermometer and voltage tester. So here's what it looks like. So it has the non-contact end to it. So you could test different electrical connections and see if there's live feed or not. It also offers the 3-year warranty. Has a silent mode. It's IP54 rated, and the thing that's unique about it is that it offers the infrared thermometer. So I can see something like this coming in handy, especially for circuits, the ones that might be hot, and you can test to see what the temperature is on them. So this one retails at 25 bucks. And then the last one that came out with is on the circuit tester for outlets. So it's a plug style one. So you can test GFCI outlets, and the trip time as a hold function. LCD backlit display is powered by 2 AAA batteries. And that's going to retail at 15 bucks, which they currently don't have in the store yet. I know some of you commented on my previous video, been waiting for the Doyle meters to come out, so maybe check your store to see if it's out yet, because they did phase out the Ames multimeters that they had previously and were clearancing them out. They look pretty nice, actually, and it's pretty good. I think that it comes with a 3-year warranty compared to other models out there. If you're enjoying this video so far, I would really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these deal videos and new tool videos. I do have a goal to get to the 50,000 subscriber mark. We're less than 1,800 away, and I'm going to be giving away 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits when the channel reaches that 50,000 subscriber mark. And be sure to double check that you are subscribed, because I've heard from some of the viewers that they were actually unsubscribed. So it's good to double check it just to make sure that you are. And again, I really appreciate that support. Now let's go to the next new item. All right, the next new item is on the Icon shop seat. It's a 350-pound rated heavy duty mechanics roller seat with 1 drawer and tray. They don't have a display of it yet, in which I had to ask the team members here if they had one in the back, and they actually did. So maybe check your store inventory online on the website and see if your store is listed as it having it in stock or not, as it might be in the back if it's not on display yet. So what's nice about it is it looks like it has a nice large cushion with the 1 drawer right here, and it has a tray underneath it for different parts and tools, as well as a cup holder. It has nice caster wheels that are 3.5 inches, and it says it's high quality ball bearings and 360-degree maneuverability. So the seat cushion is 16.25 inches by 10.75 with 2.25 inch thick high density foam for all day comfort. The seat height is 17 3/16 of an inch, and it's made of a durable steel frame that's a 1-inch steel frame, and it is item 59639. In case you want to search the website, make sure it's in stock at your store before you make the trip. I do plan on picking this up today, so stay tuned to the end of the video where I will unbox it and show its features. And this does retail at 70 bucks, just so you know. Which I did see images online of some guys already picking this up, and it looked like it had started out at 60 bucks, but they quickly raised it 10 bucks. They can probably tell it's going to be a popular item. That's what happens when they release a popular item. They quickly raise the price on it. All right, the next new item that was just released is this Bauer modular 2-drawer toolbox. So it goes with their modular system. It does look pretty nice. So it has the 2 drawers here in the front instead of a top load. And it has lock and unlock tab. So if you're transporting, then you want to have it on the lock side, and then that way it won't come open, which is pretty nice. And here's what the inside of the drawer looks like. So it has nice organizers that are easily removable and configurable to different options you want to store. And it's like that for both drawers, so you can easily remove them for bigger items. And it has pretty nice, smooth, rolling drawer ball bearing slides to them. It easily locks. Looks like it has like a little clear plastic lid, so you can put like a label in there, and it'll help protect the label. So you could have everything labeled as far as what you're storing in each box. It has a nice top handle and the side part here that locks into the other modular boxes. And here's what the back looks like. So this Bauer box retails at 70 bucks. So I think it's fairly priced as far as what it is, especially including nice ball bearing slide drawers, especially compared to other models out there of other different brands. Feels pretty solid and sturdy. And the next new item they recently came out with, which it's so new they still don't have a display of it, and it does show it in stock in the store, so it must be in the back. And it's going to be on the Haulmaster dual ball adjustable hitch. That's a 6-inch drop and a 5 1/8 inch rise. It's going to be item number 72685, and the retail price is $150. And here's a picture of what it looks like. So it looks like a pretty nice heavy duty hitch with 2 balls. And the next new item is going to be a Pittsburgh ratchet. In particular, it's going to be the 3/8 indexable head quick release ratchet. And so the head of this pivots by using this switch right here. And you're able to pivot around basically all the way around however you need it to be configured. And just pressing this lever there to lock it so it stays in place. Then obviously it has the ratchet switch, different configurations there. So I imagine that may be convenient for hard to reach places. And the handle is on a curved angle there. This does offer the lifetime warranty, just like all the other ratchets from Pittsburgh. And this one retails at 22 bucks. All right, the next category of items they came out with from Hercules, they released a bunch of different wire wheels for your grinder, between the twist knot wire wheel for 10 bucks. And they have the stringer bead wire wheel for 9. They also have crimped beveled wire wheels for 7 bucks. The crimped wire wheel for 6. And they even came out with a 5-pack. So it's a 5-piece wire wheel and brush set So it comes with a nice wire brush, a couple different wire wheels, as well as a couple different cup wire wheels. So here's the back of the package with all the details of what each different wire wheel is for, what it's good for, and the specs on them too. So you can pause the video and take a screenshot of that. It is item number 73082. So it is designed for 4.5-inch right angle grinders, and it is ideal for angle iron and I-beam work. And this retails for 20 bucks. And they also have other varieties of twist knot wire wheels as well, made of carbon steel, and they even have twist knot wire cup brushes sold individually as well. So it'd be good for stainless steel, aluminum, and copper. Kind of get a sense of what it looks like with the wire twists. This is a 3-inch one. This one retails for 10 bucks. So here's the different wire cup brushes between the twist knots and then a crimped wire. This one retails for 7 bucks. You can see what that looks like. So many different options now from Hercules in the wire wheel category. And another new item that hit the stores is on the Atlas 80-volt brushless dual port backpack blower kit. So it does include batteries and the charger with this kit. It's rated at 760 CFM and 190 miles per hour. It has variable speed trigger there on the handle, and it has a padded waist belt and shoulder straps to it. And this kit does retail at 500 bucks. It also even includes a turbo button. Well, that'd be nice. And let's not forget the new G2 ratchets they just released. On the 1/4-inch drive ones, they have 4 new ones and then 1 3/4 drive one. So they have them all lined up here on the 1/4-inch drive. So they have the 4 5/8 short ratchet, that's 33 bucks. The stubby, that's 30. The 6.5-inch standard ratchet, that's priced at 40. Then they have the one with the comfort grip. That's also 40 bucks. Don't forget, this summertime, they're going to be releasing 15 more new G2 ratchets. And then here's the 3/4 inch. It's the 26-inch long ratchet. That's priced at 120, and it is nice and long. All right, I just got home from Harbor Freight, brought home the new Icon Mechanics roller seat and got it assembled. It was fairly easy to do. It was maybe about like a 10-minute process. Basically put in the bolts on each corner. It has these cross braces that are separate. And fairly easy process, easy instructions. It's just one page. And then had to put the drawer in on the top and put screws in. And look what it fits in there. The Meme 1 and Meme 2 Icon tools with plenty of room to spare. Pretty nice. And the drawer does slide nice and easy. It has the ball bearing slides to it. The cushion is nice and soft. And it feels like it's going to be durable. I love the stitching on the Icon. That's pretty nice. And the caster wheels being 3.5 inches, it's pretty good size. They're kind of like rollerblade wheels. They do feel like a hard plastic. They swivel nice and easy. I think it's gonna be a great seat, and obviously it fits a G2 ratchet as well. Got the cup holder in the back. Some nice little compartments there for the bottom tray, and then the drawer. I think it's pretty nice. Even for the 70 bucks that they just raised it to, I think it's worth it. I'll put it down on the ground and see what it's like rolling around. All right, so I got it on my garage floor. And I tell you, this thing does roll nice and smooth. I sat on it, wheeled around a little bit. It definitely feels pretty sturdy as well, and it's nice and solid. So I think I would not hesitate picking one up if you're on the fence. It does feel like it's pretty good quality, and it's very stable, and it's actually comfortable too, with a nice padded seat to it. Very nice. All right, that's going to be it for the new items I'm going to show in this video. I'll be sure to put a link down in the description below that goes to the new page items on harborfreight.com. That way you can go directly to it and check out all the items they are now offering. And if you gain any value from this video, I'd really appreciate it. You do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these deal videos and new tool videos, and help the channel reach that 50,000 goal mark so I can give away those 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. I really do appreciate that support, and I appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.